What's up guys, Surge here. So we are just 2 weeks away from the official announcement of the much anticipated OnePlus 6. While it's pretty safe to assume that the design of the new device won't stray too much from the Oppo R15, but some changes are expected and we are eager to find out what they are. A new leak shows some live images of the OnePlus 6 unit. Sadly, the photos don't show the back of the unit, but we have the front. As you can see, the device is housing the officially confirmed notch on the top and a much thinner bottom bezel. In one of the images, it can be seen besides the Apple iPhone 10, and in another, it is placed alongside the OnePlus 5T. And when compared to the iPhone 10, the OnePlus 6 features a smaller notch as it does not include the complex 3D facial recognition sensors. However, the notch houses an LED notification indicator, a selfie camera, and an earpiece. Now, when we compare the OnePlus 5T and the 6, there's no difference in size of both the smartphones, and that's awesome as we're gonna have a bigger display on the regular sized mobile phone. The bottom edge of the OnePlus 6 features a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C slot at the center, and an external speaker. On the left edge, we have an alert slider at the top followed by the volume rocker, and on the right, we have the usual power key. None of the images in the new leak showcases the rear side of the smartphone. However, previous leaks have claimed that the OnePlus 6 will be featuring a dual camera setup and a fingerprint scanner on its back panel. As far as the design is concerned, the OnePlus 6 will be arriving with a glass rear. Also, it is expected to carry certain level of waterproofing too. So that said, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.